Have you ever wondered what a day in the life of a fabricator looks like? Well, wonder no more.
Oh, how you doing? Is this a good pose? Yeah, so it's Daniel here. Welcome back. We're going to have a day in the life of Daniel. If it all goes to plan, then we'll have another day of Daniel. Different Daniel, I think. I got Daniel coming down here to say g'day. Yeah. Daniel, it's the life of day in the life of Daniel.
Oh, sorry.
No, Daniel's putting that motor together. Daniel's doing the media in there. Daniel's got to do that dump pipe too. Yeah, Daniel's got to work on this shorty as well today. Fix it up a bit more fine tuning. Yeah, let's go. How you Daniel's going?
Hey, my bar?
Hey, my bar.
I don't think so.
You should have all been wearing Daniel jackets.
Daniel jackets? Straight jackets. Daniel's jackets. Just between me and you, George. Maybe not everyone watching. I'm unsure if they're going to enjoy what I do of a day. I just don't know if they can handle 12 hours. You're going to get sore legs, George. So come down a bit there, Cobb. Watch your toes. I'm thinking I want to collect some of those pre-cut pies I've got over there, maybe a couple of bends. Not quite a 90, probably like a 62.5 I'm chasing. And we're going to just poke it off the back of this much bigger turbo we've installed. Pretty much poke a bit of stainless off the back of here, 4 inches of stainless. Not the biggest hole, not the biggest gap to get, but we always get it first go. Hello! Yeah, I can put him on. Oh, it's for you. Retract my statement earlier, George, man. I think a 90's nearly going to be bang on for what we're chasing, our application over here. Or maybe not. I really reckon I'm just going to clamp it and cut it. Clamp it and cut it. What's the worst that can happen? Into here, and this handle here actually cranks it. It's like cranking an old car to start it, but it's not a car, it's a saw. Unfortunately. Oh, bang on first go. I got a first go, George. Couldn't get any more square to me. Why couldn't I have just made it? Now I have to do something else to make that finished. It's a saw's job, it's not my job. I'm meant to stick it together. See, that there's just dangerous now. Safety first, we duck outside. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Come on, quick, George. Did you name me, Daniel? Yeah, copy. And we're en route. Daniel's in the hole.
Are you in the hole?
Yeah. Daniel's always in the hole. Probably just chuck some nuts and bolts up there, do her up. I'd like to think so, yeah. Probably wouldn't hurt. That's what Daniel would have done. Moving on. How does this work? By the looks of things, this thing might sleeve in here. Scared to hit it. Shouldn't be scared to hit it, it's what it needs, George.
Bit of a Daniel move, that one.
Well, Daniel told me to do it. What are you laughing at? A little boy. Need some 4-inch. I'm snagged, boys. I'm alright. Instead of cutting up my stainless steel that I currently have laid out behind us here, quite a nice length, I know. So I'm going to duck outside here, I'm going to go have a look out here, and I'm going to see out here that if I can find any 4-inch pieces of pipe out here.
To the floor, I was sure.
How sure? What was that? That's 5. What's that? What's that? What's that? So what we'll chase pretty much is exactly that piece there, but longer. But I might not need it longer yet. So that's why I'm going to take these 2 pieces. Stop it. I wish I had just like, that was like a pen. My pen, The pinky was a pen.
That's aluminium.
Yeah, I know. I'm measuring it. Daniel. Wanker. I don't like steel. What's she gonna do?
She detects lies.
I don't think so. She doesn't even have a nose, let alone like detect things. Lasso me, girl. Oh, waiting. Sprung a leak down there, George. You're gonna have to get the plumbers in. Oh, and then also George, man, we probably want to go kick it back. Quite nose is itchy, George. It's quite the puddle over there, George. Run over there and film that puddle. Run. Run, George, quick. Film that puddle over there. He's knocked over his energy drink. Sip it. Get a straw. Ain't that bad. I've drunk worse.
Drink it then.
No, it's bubbles.
Drink it.
It's berry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh, Daniel, where's the pen? We should go to Office Works, George. We should get some pens. It's not what I want anyway. Wrong pen. Yes, George, I don't know if you've seen. Yeah, you've seen this nice piece of work. Artwork almost, I would call it. And artwork. Quite sexy. So sticky. What I do, right, is I just turn it up till it melts the steel. And once the steel's melted, you know it's hot enough. And you let off, really. I just know what I'm doing, George. That's why they pay me the big bucks. It's a BBC cup. So, big bad cup, size 24. Comes with 2 layers of mesh on the inside. They're actually nearly signature cups. As you just duck around to this side of it, we've got our Street Race Solutions on it, you know. Custom ordered they were. Got them in red. And come in all sorts of colours. We've got some in green for Impress, for Denny over at Impress. Shout out to Denny. It doesn't hold much liquid. It does cup things, like say if you were to like, if there was an animal there, you could just put him on top and he's in there, he's stuck in the cup. Oh! I'm quick. Oh, how you doing? You can leave your opinions in the comments below. I don't know if I'll like look at them, but I think I might put a V-band here. In this gap right here. Nice and open, visible to the rest of the access that we have. Gotcha! My couple of Daniels over here doing a bit. Oh, you got a leak there, boys. Daniel. Sprung a leaky. I'm f***ing gluing it. Bunch of lippy dogs. Run in! Bang on. Practice me swing when I'm waiting. Wait, Stewie. You know, penguins, right? Penguins can grow to 45 inches tall. That's a fucking superior penguin, bro. Gotta top me bucket up with some moisture. She's a bit low. There is a V-band. They come in all sort of sizes, from like 1 inch up to God knows. I just know that I've got a 4-inch one in my hand right now. It doesn't look like a V at all, but it's a V-band. Leave it in the comments below if you can tell me why it's a V-band. If anyone's watching it and is interested, I'm about to go a poo. I'm aiming about medium to heavy range. I mean, the post flow isn't too hectic right now. Expecting a good outcome. Expecting a really good outcome. Friday, we're still over here doing the day in the life of Daniel. We've got our vending machine, right? And the vending machine, it keeps my addiction running strong. Right? Oh no, I wouldn't say I'm an addict. I say I'm an enthusiast. We're very enthusiastic about our Red Bull. Bacon bites, yes, we're moving on. So, they are actually made by Nobbies themselves. They're crispy bacon flavour. They're flavoured bites that are essentially made out of bacon. They're very good for nibbling on. You know, they've got a health star of 1. Oh look, they're good for Daniel. My health stars are normally 0. See, 0.5. Just changing my diet around a bit, trying to get a bit more healthy about dog. Basically, they're the most unbeatable quality and taste of Nobby snacks that have ever been located, loved for over 70 years. The texture alone, if it was by itself, without the flavour, I probably wouldn't eat it. But in all honesty, like when have you eaten something with a texture that doesn't have a flavour? Looks like we've jumped ship, George. We've jumped jobs. We haven't come across an issue, we've bumped into a solution. And we're just going to do a little modification station down here on this 6-piece Mini and really just redirect the wastegate directions because it's currently too close to some certain things that need to be moved because it might be too hot from the heat and temperatures that exit out of the wastegate. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. He is a rude. No, I'm going to smack him right in the dick. Don't be so rude.
I'm just honest, I'm not.
Oh, yeah, debatable. How'd you undo that but not undo that? Come on, bro, we're punching this out together. Yeah, it's to go up for a tee box, now we've got to come down for a fucking... I am fast, bro. No wonder coppers never catch me. Out there, boys. Hot. Got the Pro Mod Manifold off the bill at 2J. Where the alternator line was running, essentially it was getting the wastegate sat way too close to the wiring and apparently it's not good for it. So what we've gone and done is docked it there, added that there, and just moved it away from where it needed to be. Point. It's rude to point. Just pointing back.
No, you're poking, that's different.
No, I'm pointing. Point. See?
No,
just there. Just there. I'm pointing. I'm pointing.
That's a poke.
Over there. See? Just there. Oh, that little eye was hanging. What?
Pointing again. On his finger. George, bring your shorty in so I can have a look at the fans.
Yeah, George, bring Shorty in so we can have a look at your fans. Go, George, did you yummy? And yeah, now we're going to jump over. I don't know if you can see in the background here. We've got a little rig. Got me Shorty in here. Well, not mine, it's George's. George's Shorty. We're just assessing the situation, aren't we, George? Isn't it sick, bro? It's got a little V in there.
It looks so small in there.
It does, it looks tiny. Like so much. You could put an SR20 here, really.
You put 2 SR20s in there.
George, you should put 2 SR20s in here. If you pull it apart, you pull that apart, you make carbonara with it. Yeah. George, it's still dripping heavy. I think there's actually a spike in something. Been a very big day, hasn't it, George? George's legs are all buggered from walking around so much. So yeah, hope you like the content. I hope you enjoy it. You know, spend a day with Daniel. If you want to see more of Daniel's days, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to go across, we've got a giveaway happening. So, jump over Facebook, do all that stuff. And yeah, time for the weekend, eh George? Yeah boy! Alright, like, comment and subscribe and it's time to hit the road.